Good day everyone, this is Mohammed Shanwaz. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the latest CAIE question 2024. So here is the question. The question is if one player game uses the 2D array grid to store the location of a secret cell to be found by the player in 10 moves. Each row and column has 5 cells. So you can see the 2D array here, and the start point of the user is the 1 by 1 row 1 and column 1. User will start from here. Now the next thing is here, at the start of the game the program places an X in a random cell. So we have to find a secret cell here in this 2D array, and we have to place X secretly and empties all the other cells in the grid. The other cells will be empty. The player starts at the top left of the grid. Already we have seen here the player has 10 moves and the player will get 10 chances, 10 moves. The next thing is the player can move left, right, up or down by one cell, and the move must be within the grid. You cannot move outside the grid. Your win is displayed if the player moves to the cell with X and has played 10 moves or less. So in within your 10 moves you have to get the X. If you get X, you will have to display you win. You loss is displayed if the player has made 10 moves without finding the X. So write a program that meets this requirement. You must use pseudocode or program code and add comments to explain how your code works. You do not need to declare any arrays or variables. You may assume that this has already been done. All inputs and output must contain suitable messages. So this is the question. So I am showing you the Python solution for this question. Here is the Python solution for the problem. We have to import random function from the library, and we have to declare the grid 2D array here. So here is the declaration. We have 5 by 5 is 5 rows and 5 columns here. Now using random function we have to set the X in a secret location. So this is the random function. We are finding first the secret row using the random function, and then finding the secret column using the random function. Then we are assigning X to that secret location in grid. Now the user row and column we are giving as 0 and 0 because the user has to be start from the very first cell. Now we have given a turns variable, number of turns allowed. User has 10 turns, so it is given 10 here, 10 assigned here. Now I give a print message, find the secret X hidden in a 5x5 grid. You start a cell 1 by 1. Actually in the message we are saying 1 and 1, but we are encoding that 1 by 1 cell is mentioned as 0 and 0. So now the loop start from here. You can see the loop start. The loop attempt in range starts from 1 and turns plus 1 means the turns is given 10, turns is 10, so it will be 11, because in Python if you start by 0 we can give 10 here. As we are starting by 1, so we have to give 11, so it will run 10 times. Now we are giving a print message end, it will give to the next line. Turn, it shows the attempt, the value of attempt is 1. Of turns, it will show you here the value of turns is 10, means you have you start with attempt 1, total turn you have 10. Next message, it will take the cursor, next line. You are currently at your present location, user row plus 1 means you show it 0 plus 1 means it show you 1. User column 0 plus 1 is 1. The first time it will show you the location 1 comma 1. Now ask the user for movement direction. You have to give the command. You have to input the command. The commands are up, down, left, right, and we have used here strip function and lower function. However you give the command, if you have any space before and after, it will set by the strip command, and the lower command either you are giving the command capital or small letter, will change it in the lower letter. So if depending on your command, depending on your input, if move equals to up, the value of the row, it will minus by 1. If your move is down, the value will be row become plus 1. If your move is left, the value of the column equal to minus 1. If your move is right, the value will be column plus 1. Otherwise, in valid move, please choose the valid direction. It will be shown, and it will keep going on until if you are not giving a valid direction. Check if the user found the X. Now after one right move, it will come here and it will check user row is equal to secret row and user column is equal to secret column. If it is, you found the X and you win. This message will be displayed and the program will break from here. Else it will show you if the loop completes without finding X. If in 10 moves, in these 10 moves you didn't find out, you didn't find the X, so it will print the message, sorry, you're not out of turns, you lost. Print the X was at row secret, and it will show you the location of X, where is the secret row and column number. This is the program. So now we run the program. So here you can see find the secret X hidden in our 5x5 grid. You start at cell 1 and 1, turn 1 of 10, that we have 1 turn. Now we start with 1 turn 1 and we have 10 more 9 more turns. You are currently at 1 by 1. Enter move up, down, left, right. So now I am giving down command, down. So it shows me turn 2 of 10, my turn as I give one command, so it changes to 2, and you can see your position is previously it was 1 by 1, now it is becomes 2 by 1. You have reached to row number 2. Now I want to go right, so I am giving right command. So now you can see that the turns become 3 and I have reaches to 2 by 2. Previously it was 2 by 1, now it is 2 by 2. So it moves to right, my cursor moves to right. So now I am going to give another down command. So here it is, you can see my turn is 4 and my row number is 3, so it moves down. I am giving another down command. So its turn is 5 and my current location is 4 by 2. Now I am going right again to see. Again it's showing me that still I didn't get X in this these few commands. Now I'm giving another right. Oh yes, I found X. So it shows me this message, you win. So here is the problem. I tried to make it very easy for you. I hope you practice it and it will become easier for you. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.